Okay, now the launch of the Athena.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good launch today.